Network-powered communication system conductors near poles must adhere to specific clearance requirements as outlined in the National Electrical Code, specifically Section 680.10 bone. This section addresses the necessary vertical clearance above the water level of the pole to ensure safety and prevent electrical hazards. For network-powered communication system conductors, a minimum vertical clearance of 1.5 meters, which is approximately 5 feet, is required over the pole. This clearance is measured from the water level or any platform, diving board, or permanently installed structure adjacent to the pole. The purpose of this requirement is to prevent accidental contact with energized conductors by individuals in or around the pole. Insufficient clearance could result in electric shock or electrocution, particularly if the insulation on the conductors is compromised or wet. When installing network-powered communication systems near poles, it is crucial to carefully measure and verify the vertical clearance to ensure compliance with the NEC. This involves taking accurate measurements from the highest expected water level to the lowest point of the conductors. If the clearance does not meet the minimum requirement of 1.5 meters or 5 feet, adjustments must be made to either raise the conductors or lower the surrounding structures to achieve the necessary separation. It is also important to consider the potential for sagging of the conductors over time, which could reduce the vertical clearance. Therefore, it is recommended to install the conductors with a sufficient margin of safety to account for any future sagging. The type of wiring method used for network-powered communication system conductors near poles should also be appropriate for the environment. Conductors must be suitable for wet locations and protected from physical damage. This may involve using conduit or other protective enclosures to shield the conductors from moisture, chemicals, and accidental impact. Furthermore, all electrical equipment associated with the network-powered communication system, such as power supplies and junction boxes, must be properly grounded to provide a path for fault current in the event of an electrical failure. Grounding helps to minimize the risk of electric shock and ensures the safety of individuals using the pole. Regular inspections of the network-powered communication system and its associated wiring should be conducted to identify any signs of damage or deterioration. This includes checking for cracked or damaged insulation, loose connections, and corrosion. Any issues discovered during the inspection should be promptly addressed to prevent potential electrical hazards. It is also important to ensure that all electrical work near poles is performed by qualified and licensed electricians who are familiar with the NEC requirements for swimming pool installations. These professionals have the knowledge and experience to install and maintain electrical systems in a safe and compliant manner. In addition to the vertical clearance requirements, there may be other restrictions on the placement of network-powered communication system conductors near poles. For example, the NEC may specify minimum horizontal distances from the pole's edge or require the use of ground fault circuit interrupters, or GFCIs, to protect circuits supplying power to equipment near the pole. GFCIs are designed to detect small imbalances in current flow and quickly de-energize the circuit to prevent electric shock. When planning the installation of a network-powered communication system near a pole, it is essential to consult the latest edition of the NEC and any applicable local codes to ensure full compliance. These codes may have specific requirements that address the unique electrical safety challenges presented by swimming pool environments. It is also advisable to seek guidance from electrical inspectors or other qualified professionals to ensure that the installation meets all applicable standards. By following these guidelines, you can help to ensure the safety of individuals using the pole and prevent electrical hazards associated with network-powered communication systems. Remember that electrical safety is paramount, and compliance with the NEC is essential to protecting lives and property. In summary, to reiterate the key points, ensure that network-powered communication system conductors maintain a minimum vertical clearance of 1.5 meters or 5 feet over the pole. Use appropriate wiring methods suitable for wet locations, properly ground all electrical equipment, conduct regular inspections, and consult the latest edition of the NEC and local codes for specific requirements. By adhering to these guidelines, you can create a safe and enjoyable swimming pool environment for everyone. Always prioritize safety and seek professional assistance when working with electricity near water.